We're just waiting to go live here. Okay, we're live. Hello and welcome to my live stream. It's been a while since we've gone live, but I just thought, come on, and do you want to know how you can get a free membership to the Sewing Guru and also a set of free sewing e-tips which are downloadable? We'll keep watching and I'm going to show you how you can do that. Now, for those of you that don't know this, the sewingguru.com is the leading sewing learning website on the internet. I know there's not many websites at all that show how to do sewing and tailoring in such a vast way, but we are the leading site for this, and we're giving out free memberships. Now, Ollie should be helping me. Where is he? Ollie, you going to come in? Ollie? Oh, here he is. Here he is. Are you going to help me out with today with showing people how they can get a free membership and free e-tips, Ollie? Yeah, you're going to show them. Right, first of all, let's have a look at this. Okay, so if you hold that up, bring it a bit closer. Bring that a bit closer. It's a bit reflective. There. Can you see that? Yeah, you stand there, Ollie. Right, now the Sewing Guru, as you can see, is all video based and has got a huge amount of sewing videos in there, and we cater for all levels. Beginners, advanced and total professionals, right high end.
Daddy, and I will come back up.
Alright then, go and get something. He's going to go and get something. Yeah, so we cater for everyone. Not only do we do sewing as well, we have crafting, we've got machine embroidery, we show you how to do pet wear, there's everything. And like I said, it is the leading sewing learning website on the internet, and it's massive. So as I said, I'm going to show you how to get a free membership and also free e-tips. Now these are completely free. Doesn't cost you anything, nothing at all. All you do is put your email in and it is 100% free. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the internet. Right, so this is live, as you can see. Now there is a link at the description next to this video. Then you click the link for the e-tips and then you click to start, and what will happen is a drop down pop-up comes on.
Daddy,
put your email in there and your name in there. Hang on a second, Dolly. Right. Right, okay then. Right, put your email in there, your name in there, and then you click there and you will then have your e-tips. It is as simple as that, that's it. So click one of the links within the description. Let's have a look, I want to see which link it is. It's the first link in the description of the video. There's the first link. Click there and you will get your free e-tips. Now the free membership is also very, very easy to do. Now let's have a look. Again, I'm going to go live. Now as you can see here, this is the sewingguru.com. Now again, there is the link in the description of the next video, so it shows you the link there. Just click on that and you'll be able to go and register for a free membership. If you don't know how to do that, click here, free membership. So go to the sewingguru.com. Okay, sewingguru.com up here on Google. Click in sewingguru.com, click free membership and put your name and your email in there and click register. And that's all it is. It is as simple as that. Now, those of you who are on mobile phones, I'm just going to show you how to do this on a mobile phone as well. Now this is to register for a free membership as well. The site works on all platforms, mobile, everything. Now, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, that's horrendous, isn't it? Really sorry about this. You cannot see anything at all. Yeah, you can't see a thing. That is horrendous. I'm really sorry about this. You can't see a thing. Can you see that? Oh yeah, sort of see it. Okay, so what you need to do is click on the three stripes there. Oh, this is horrendous, isn't it? It's too light, it's too bright. Right, well what you need to do is click on the three little stripes on for a mobile phone. And oh no, you don't need to do that. Sorry about that, no. When you go to the sewingguru.com on the mobile site, again, you will see it. Now, if I show you, barely, you can see it there. Can you see free membership on the top? On the top there. I don't know why the reflective, it's horrible. Can you see that? Free membership just there. Free membership. Click there, and again, just register. And again, it will take you through the process, and you just put your email in and register for a free membership, and check your inbox on your email and log in, and you will then be able to register for a free membership. You'll have a free membership, and like I said, it doesn't cost anything. It's 100% free. I'm really sorry about that I couldn't show you the mobile site. Really sorry about that. I don't know why it is so reflective. It just, you can't see the screen. It's just blank. It's horrendous. So I'm sorry about that. Like I said, it doesn't cost anything at all. Right, Ellie, what are you doing? I thought were you having a sort of toasty or no? Right. So that's what I wanted to do. I just wanted to come on and tell you about the free sewing e-tips and a free membership. And like I say, it is 100% free. So that's it. So thanks for watching. And we'll see you again in the next live stream.
Oh, Daddy.
Bye.
Daddy,
What is it, Ollie?
Something. You forgot your boots to go.